The Clarke SHHH Air Max 50 350 air compressor is one of a range of Clarke compressors offering a very low noise level of only 66 decibels. Its quiet operation is equivalent to a passing low-noise road tyre. This great feature means that the SHHH Air Max 50 350 can be particularly suitable for use in close proximity to places such as offices, studios, laboratories and small workshops, where noise would either be unacceptable or an annoying distraction. The SHHH Air Max 50 350 is a high-output compressor, featuring a substantial 16.9 cubic feet or 480 litres per minute air displacement from a quad compressor pump unit, making it ideal for paint spraying. With its CE-certified 50-litre air receiver, it has a maximum working pressure of up to 8 bar or 116 psi. It is ideal for spraying, inflating, testing, blowing, stapling and pneumatics. The SHHH Air Max 50 350 offers great performance and a high build quality. It's easily portable too, thanks to the large wheels and robust handle. It's powered by twin 230-volt direct drive motors, drawing 2,500 watts in total, and it features thermal overload protection, tank and outlet pressure gauges, twin outlets and a pressure regulator. The SHHH Air Max 50 350 is the ideal choice for DIY, hobby or light commercial users who are looking to reduce noise pollution without compromising on quality and performance.